Hello again. How are you doing? Since we are talking about weather this week, I decided to read you another book. This is called Timothy Tornado, and he is a Quirkle also. Remember when we read about Vinnie Volcano and botanist Bert? Well, this is Timothy Tornado, and he lives on this planet of Quirksville with all his friends. So Timothy Tornado is a terrific Quirkle. Timothy likes to play the tambourine, drive his tiny truck, and work on his toy trains. However, the thing Timothy does best is teach his friends about tornadoes and tornado safety. Timothy tours all over Quirksville telling the creatures about tornadoes. One cloudy Tuesday, Timothy was with his friends Tammy Turtle and Teddy Tiger when a dark, terrible-looking funnel cloud appeared. Tammy and Teddy were terrified. Tammy Turtle said, "Let's get a taxi and go to our home on 1010 Tittle Street." Timothy Tornado explained to Tammy and Teddy, "There's not time to take a taxi to Tittle Street. We must all go to Tommy Turkey's house nearby. Tommy has a basement with a television and lots of tables and toys, and Tommy's basement is safe because the wind from the tornado cannot tumble down the underground walls." When they arrived at Tommy Turkey's house, they all got under a tall tan table in the center of the basement away from the two windows. Timothy Tornado explained to his friends that the word tornado comes from a Spanish word tornada, which means thunderstorm. Tammy Turtle, Teddy Tiger, and Tommy Turkey trembled as Timothy explained how tornadoes are made. A tornado begins when a cold mass of air blows over the warm mass of air. The warm tries to rise and the cold air wants to sink as the two masses push hard against each other. And after time, the hot air finds a weak spot in the cold air and shoots up like a fountain in the sky. And this creates a mighty whirling wind. Teddy, Tammy, and Tommy saw the twirling, twisting cloud outside. Timothy Tornado told them the twirling part of a funnel cloud, usually in the middle, is called the vortex. When the vortex touches the ground and is in contact with the cloud base, it becomes a tornado. They could all see the trees twisting in the torrential rain. Tammy Turtle became tearful. Her tummy was in turmoil. Timothy Tornado told Tammy Turtle she was safe in Tommy Turkey's basement. They were in the best place they could be. To take their minds off their troubles, they sang 10 tunes. Soon the terrible tornado was over, and the sun came out again, and Timothy Tornado went out to see if any of his other friends in Quirksville had been hurt. Everyone was tired but safe, and Timothy Tornado, Tammy Turtle, Teddy Tiger, and Tommy Turkey trotted off to get tacos and tea for a treat. All their friends in Quirksville were terrified. Timothy Tornado knew that friends were the best treasure one could have. The end. Okay, I have to say something, boys and girls. All their friends in Quirksville were terrific, not terrified. I'm sorry about that. So that's the story of Timothy Tornado. I have here a little tornado maker, and I'm going to flick my wrist, and you're going to watch this tornado and look for the vortex. Did you see that? The white vortex coming down? Okay, Then I went ahead and made another type of tornado. This is called a tornado tube. And I got two 2-liter bottles, and I put the tornado, twisted the tornado or the bottles onto the tornado tube. I put water in the bottom one and glitter to make it look pretty. Here I go. I'm going to see if this works. I am going to take this like this, and it's going to leak a little. Put this like this. Now turn it. Let's see. Do you see the vortex? See it? It's right in the middle there. And that worked. You could do this at home too. You don't even really need the tube here. You could use duct tape and a washer in between. Okay, thank you for joining me in Timothy Tornado. Bye-bye.